Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another altered playing card for Penny's open collaboration here on YouTube. It's hashtag Deck the Year, and I wanted to come on and share this week's card. And it's kind of shabby, vintage, and I used this digital papers from the Raleigh Neha shop here on Etsy, and I just love this paper. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I might, downsize some of these images, but and I'll have the link down below. Um, and so here is my card. So what I did in the background of the playing card, I used my sandpaper, this block from Dollar Tree, and I sand the whole card down because it's very glossy. And then I kind of scuffed it up with some vintage photo and some walnut stain, stamped the background with a Dollar Tree stamp here and there. I cut this paper out. It's not so much of a ticket like these are, but I did cut one out. And I just love this with the flowers and the numbers, and it says spring 1898. And I just love that. I layered a little paper doily, a pink paper doily in the background. I also stamped vintage photo with my speckled stamp. And then I cut off a little flower trim from my stash, and I added some pearls here and here, um, trying to give it the element of three. Yeah, and that is my card for this week. Very quick and simple, and I love these papers. I want to do some more with the same, not the, well, pretty much the same thing. Maybe for a swap, maybe. So I want to thank everybody for watching. I'll have Penny's information down below. Go check her out. Go check the hashtag. See what all the other people that are participating in this open collab and see what they're creating. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.